Hi guys, happy Hallows Eve. I'm sorry I couldn't be there today, but I couldn't miss the opportunity to see Asher in a Sonic the Hedgehog costume. I'm sure I'll have some great pictures tomorrow. So while I'm out, what I need you guys to do is, if you look at the Do Now, you are going to go to Schoology and you need to open your instructional slides that's inside the Schoology mock trial folder. It looks like this right here, instructional slides. And when you open them, it will have all of the stuff we're doing in class, but I need you to scroll down to the slide that has argumentative introduction training, and it's around slide 25 or 26. So you're going to be using this slide today. Your mission is to walk through the different links to prepare yourself for composing your introduction of your argumentative essay. So in the days past, you have picked your topic, you read about your topic, and you identified both sides of the argument. You should have collected evidence for each, their claims, their support, and then you should have taken a stance on a side based on the evidence provided. Reminder, this essay, even though it's your opinion, should stay in third person, so avoid pronouns like I, we, or me. So that's just a friendly tip. So what you're going to get started on, you will start by watching me whip, which will just review some of the format of your essay. Then you will watch me nay and look at some examples. Note that some of the examples, I struggled with finding ones that weren't all in first person. So some of the examples will be in first person, but reminder, I want you to stay in third person for your essay. Then you can review the rubric that I'll be using to grade your work. And then the final countdown is just the writing prompt, the essay task. So you'll preview that. However, for the essay, I need you to get the documents if we haven't done this in class already. I don't want you using the final countdown link. I want you to get your own copy. So you will need to go to Schoology for this. You'll be in the mock trial argumentative folder, and then you will open the final writing task and get your place that you'll write your essay there. Again, don't make a copy, just open it and add it to your drive. And that's where you'll compose your essay. So again, when you get to the final countdown, that is just this final writing task, and I want you to get it from Schoology. So if we go back again, your mission today is using those instructional slides. You're going to complete the interactive instruction board, which is just this. You'll go through all those links, and then I would like you to compose the introduction of your essay, and you will do that in the final writing task argumentative essay, and that will look like this. So you'll actually compose your essay in here. If you are all said and done with that, of course, as always, you can do anything in the I'm done folder, but that should take you most of the period. If you look at the reminders, your introduction of your essay is due Friday. Tomorrow is Halloween. We're going to do some spooky fun things, but your introduction needs to be ready to rock and roll when you arrive Friday to class. Hope you guys have a great day. I miss you, and email me if you need any help. See you later.